Today in the series, we're going to be talking about luminescent panels. Luminescent panels are basically a phosphor that is applied to a surface and has a conductive material that surrounds it. In this case, we have our surrounded material. This will be white when it turns power on. We have our connector that is pre-made and that is firmly attached, and you don't have to worry about this coming apart. We have a positive and negative that goes here, and then when power is applied, then the silver strip excites the phosphor inside here and turns it on. We have a remote control battery pack, a rechargeable battery pack that for the smaller versions that you can turn it on with a single click. As you can see, it's fairly bright, especially in here in this environment. The size of it is about the size of a credit card thickness, and it can bend. You can turn it 180 degrees. You can flex it all different ways. The idea is to put your image here, and then we will shine through your image, giving it a better illumination effect. The power supply here that is rechargeable has a couple different modes. You have an on mode, off mode. Then you have a blinking mode. And you have a faster blink. All I'm doing is hitting the center button here. And you have an off. This little battery pack lasts about 12 hours for this size of a unit. It is not designed for the bigger units. It is designed for the smaller applications. The connector is just a simple plug-in connector. I have an extension made for this, and you can buy those as well. But it just simply snaps apart. All I do is push down this lever, and it snaps apart. We're going to test out our inverter. This is hooked up to 120 volts right here. And then it tells you on the front cover, tells you how many square inches they do. This one is 1 to 15 square inches, and it basically just plugs in like it was before. So you plug it in, makes a good solid click. With this version, you have the ability to either turn it on and off with a simple button press, or with this version, you have a dimmer module that allows you to speed up or slow down the blink rate. So you can vary the speed. If you have an event where you want to have a blinking mode to it, you can buy the one that actually blinks. We just have the ones that just have on off for a little bit cheaper. But here again, it's just 120 volts in, and then we have our voltage out. This device, this panel here, can be cut so long as you leave the bottom edge or some of the edge here. You can cut across the top and it won't affect it. Now we do suggest that when you do cut it, you can cut it while it's working or while it's not working. We suggest you cut it with an X-Acto knife. That we get a sharp, clean cut. Then what you can do is you would tape the edge, the leading edge, so you know because that it does provide power, as we said before, with this luminescent silver strip here. So you are applying power around the edge, and it will conduct power across. So we suggest that you tape the leading edge, whatever you cut, with a piece of Scotch tape or some sort of tape that will allow it to, or seal it from hands that get on it. It might could shock you. Anyway, this is a small sample. We offer multiple different sizes, different shapes. They can be cut to order or as you get them. It is ultra thin and ultra flexible.